and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the last video of my birthday week series, which is basically my birthday week vlog. So I decided to vlog a week long up until my birthday. So the vlog starts from 10th of February up till 16th of February. I didn't vlog in between for 2 days, that is 12th and 13th, but other than that there are vlogs of each and every day. So starting off with the 10th when I actually started the vlog. So here it is. So today is the 10th of February and my birthday is like next week in 6 days. So I thought like I'll be vlogging like the entire week or maybe the important events that are going to be happening this week. Also my birthday falls on Saraswati Puja, so what an irony is that. Today I have some plans, like I wanted to film a video and I also wanted to make a cake actually. Like I do not have a convection like oven, but I do have a microwave oven, so I think I'm gonna be making like a cupcake sort of a situation. So this is the recipe that I'll be following. This one is from Bake with Shivesh, and I'm gonna be like making almost like 6-ish cupcakes. So I'm gonna first gather all the ingredients and then just film the entire thing. So I was actually prepping for all the ingredients when 2 of my packages arrived. So I'm gonna open these very quickly and then come back. So guys, quick update on the cake baking. It's turning to be very dense. I do not know why. For now, I'm going to be cutting up some onions because lunch karna hai. So I got done with lunch and right now I'm just ready, as you can see. I'm going to be filming. First I need to do my hair, set the entire thing, so that's going to take like half an hour easily. Then I have to film for another hour or two and then finally I'll be done. So finally I am done with the shoot today. I also clicked some pictures and look at that glow. Hi guys, today is the next day, which is 11th Feb, and I didn't vlog much yesterday because there was nothing more interesting. And so today I have some more plans. I'm going to be filming another video and I am going to be making some DIYs, so we'll see how that goes. So I'm done trying all shirts, DIYs and everything, and right now I'm just ready. I've worn my dress. I need to like do my hair a little bit and then I'll be ready for filming. I need to do the setup as well, so it's the same like yesterday only, and also I need to click some pictures for the thumbnail and for Instagram as well. For an update for 12th and 13th, I actually did not feel like vlogging much because nothing really happened in my life. Like nothing important really happened. The only thing which happened actually was my sister came, that one Saturday, and she left on Monday again. So this is what the Sunday lunch looks like. We had bhetki masher paturi, which is a traditional Bengali dish, and for dinner we had good old biryani from Armenia. Hi guys, very good morning. Today is the 15th and I woke up really early today. Right now it's something 8:15, 8:20. The reason I woke up so early was that my sister, she went back. She went away to her hostel. Hi guys, a very good morning and a very happy birthday to me. Finally today is my birthday, but I don't know why मुझे like birthday feeling नहीं आ रही. It's maybe something, I just don't know. And currently it's almost like 9ish and like a lot of people wished me and all, so like that's the thing. I don't know, I get very awkward when people wish me. And yesterday at 12 o'clock my friends like kind of Zoom called me and then they wished me over there, and my sister also called me, so I didn't vlog much. I don't have much plans for the day. Today is actually Saraswati Puja, but in our house we are not celebrating it this year because of obvious reason. Right now it is 11:05, 11:10ish, and you can see over here I'm just randomly watching videos on my laptop. I was just sitting on my laptop and basically doing nothing when I received a package, and mind you, I did not order anything, and I got this. This is like a hair straightener, and oh my god, my bestest friend in the whole world, Diya Dikari, she sent this to me, and I can't stop smiling since then. I love it so much. I remember just casually last year I told her that I wanted a hair straightener, and she got one for me. So like I can't even. I'm so overwhelmed right now. So I am done with my lunch, and I had just normal dal and rice, and I actually have nothing to do in the afternoon. So I think I am gonna film a video which is going to be my birthday gifts video, and I'm just like editing some shit on my laptop. So after I'm done with that, I'm gonna organize some folders, and then I'm gonna go and film a video. But before that I need to get ready and all. So that's something I have to.
এই তুই সরে যা না রে তুই আগে ওর যে বেশি করছিস ওকে হাত করতে গিয়ে
Oh my god! তুই শাড়ি পরেছিস?
She's the only one wearing, of course. হয়ে গেছে আর কি করবে মাঝে অফ হয়ে গেছিল ওকে বলেছে ওকে জিনিসটা কিছু কাজ করতে তোকে তো দিয়েছিলাম এভরিওয়ান ইজ আন্ডার আগে সকালবেলা অনেক কান্নাকাটি করার পরে অনেক ঝগড়া লেগেছে মোটেও নয় মানে মোটেও তোকে বলতে হবে
What the hell is the video?
লল birthday to you happy birthday to you happy birthday dear Shitama happy birthday to Katre or Kat may God bless you may God bless you happy birthday dear Shitama happy birthday to you
Oh my god, I am so flustered right now. My friends literally left, and I was the happiest. Like honestly, the entire day was not so not gloomy, but it was not very productive, and I was not feeling like my birthday. But my friends came, and it was just so much better. They literally just left now, and I'm so happy. It was like they were here for like 3 hours or something like that. It was really worth. Like I don't know, but I'm really happy, and this was like a surprise uncalled for, and I legit had no idea that they were doing this, and I was just very happy. I don't know how to express. They just left. I didn't vlog, but they actually recorded my reaction because I didn't really expect that they will come, and I'm just like at a loss of words right now. Like you can understand. So we had earlier planned that we'll go to Haka in the night because I was doing nothing and very basically non-productive, and that's why we had planned that we'll go to Haka. But now my friends came, so that plan is obviously cancelled. So this is my dinner. I'm basically having a little bit of biryani which is left over from the afternoon, and there's a little bit of coke in that steel glass of mine, and yeah, that's my dinner. So that's it for my birthday week, and I was really overwhelmed. Like on my birthday, never in a million years I expected that my friends will be coming, and I was really happy. And I feel friends are something that no one tells us. It's some people we choose, and I think I'm really blessed that I chose the correct people for like who mean so much to me, and I mean so much to them. It just makes like so much sense, and it means just so much to me, and I was just so glad that they made my day so much more brighter. And obviously it was a very unusual birthday for me. That's it for this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this birthday week of mine, and do let me know in the comments if I should make more such vlogs. I'll meet in my next one, which is I hopefully think going to be another super fun vlog. So stay tuned and like, share and subscribe to my channel. And again, we are super close to 400. Please subscribe to my channel, it would mean the world to me. And till then, stay home, stay safe. I love you guys a lot. Till then, bye.